Kush. I'll tell you about my birds. I have two birds. This is one of them, and this is so naughty. You can see how it's doing, and this is so quiet. Yeah. See how they are. And once I was having two boys. This is a girl. Two boys. One boy I was going to Saputara. So the birdie was at my backyard, and their cat, or I don't know exactly, but cat came and just it's being from injured, and I was so crying that time, and I have this one now. At Sunday, my father and mother bought this, and this is, I love this. See? Hey! Come on, more thing.
You can share with us which bird is this and
Yeah.
what's the name?
Its name is Bittu, and this is Mitthu. Hey, no. And you can see that's the cage. See how it's with julas and ladders, and it also has this type of food. And yes, at my last birthday, Dad gave me these both. Oh, this whole cake. And I love pets, animals. I also love dog, but this some days ago, my father was telling about fish. We can take fish. So I just said how it can help us. So Dad said we just have to see and have fun. And you just have to get its food and keep in the water. And it's so funny. Hey! Whenever it's get with someone other, it flies away. No? Come on, Bittu. Come up. Yes, come up. Yeah. And yeah, its nails, no? Wait. Its nails is too sharp. Hey, Bittu.
बताइए मैंने बेस वाले
Its nails is so sharp, you can see. Hey, from which it can climb anywhere. This is so fine, this is so soft, so it comes on. Hey, it can climb with its sharpy nails. Hey.
All right. Anything else you want to share?
Done.
You forget that these are cockatiel birds.
Yes, these are cockatiel birds. First I was having budgies also. Budgies hit someone. They are so that we can say a sixth sense. So someone comes, hit. Ooh. And yeah, then budgies fly away. I don't know. I was at school that time, and a neighborhood came and tell, okay, your birds fly away, and I got them. And one was so dead. They fly away, so they were dead. One was dead. One was living, so I don't think one will have fun with alone. So I said, don't worry, give them at someone. So at that, some years, then I got this cockatiels. And yeah, here they're orange, no? Here, you can see that orange one. If you get it this open orange, so you will find their black ears. I've seen one.
Wow.
And here are the nail from It smells.
Nose.
Yeah. See how it is?
How?
Done?